Back to Mac's reaction.
Let's look on what's the
Something like that. What's your name?
name is Hunter.
My name is Hunter. That's my son's name. If you didn't know, this is my son Hunter. He's half Filipino, and he wanted to react in this reaction with me, didn't you?
Yeah.
Do you like making videos?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Anyway, this is a subscriber requested video. It's from Basil, the Hungry Syrian warrior. Metro Manila flooded by Typhoon Ulysses. I think I said that right. Maybe I said it wrong. I apologize if I did. No electricity, signal, or water. So they're missing a lot of basic things, right?
Yeah.
No signal, no electricity, no water. Lots of flooding. Lots of damage. It's just not good. And there's been a lot of typhoons hit the Philippines recently, hasn't there been? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Yes, there has. The camera's right there, buddy. Say hello.
Hello.
Anyway, we're going to check this video out. It was requested many, many times, so we're going to go ahead and check it out. We're going to see how resilient the people are. Let's see what we can learn. Very devastating, right?
Yeah.
So as you see guys, the typhoon is already here.
Wow.
I'll show you guys a bit of the typhoon. Look. Grabe naman. It's crazy outside.
That's scary.
My god.
Windy?
Wow. Let's close it guys, it's not safe.
Yeah, don't want to get hit by anything.
I pray for the safety of all the people out there. All the people, all the Filipinos out there. You see? Even the cars that were parked down, they move it in the covered parking kasi delikado yan.
They know the flood's coming.
Oh my god, look at the trees. Kawawa naman. Please don't fall.
I've never ever been in a hurricane. We call them hurricane over here on this side of the world. Typhoon on the eastern side of the world. But I've never been in one, so I've never really experienced any of this.
It's scary now.
Is it scary?
It's scary Halloween.
It ain't Halloween, buddy. It's just dark.
Dark?
Yeah.
What's that, boy? Grabe, guys. Oh my god, the typhoon.
It's picked up in wind a lot.
Wow.
What?
The wind. See the trees moving?
Look how strong the wind is. Oh my god. Where are you boys?
He's up all night. Wow.
What? You scared, buddy?
It's scary by
His
Buddy,
kitty
you're
cat.
scared?
Hey, he's got a kitty cat.
Oh guys. Oh my god. Scary. Good morning mga tao.
There he is.
It's been raining all night. We don't have electric all night. They just got it yesterday, until today no electric. I can't drink coffee, we can't eat, you know. It just calmed
See all
down.
the leaves?
The winds, the storm. This was shaking yesterday. The trees were shaking, you know. We cannot go outside kasi may baha sa labas. So mga tao,
Could be
you see
electric
outside the
wires.
gate, it's all flooded. And there are kids swimming, I hear.
Oh, it's really flooded down there. I see all that water.
Oh shit, there's a car that flooded. Oh my god, guys. Look at the puno.
Wouldn't want to get hit by that.
The puno also fell. The tree. Oh la la.
Yeah.
Look, the no parking sign, it all fell. All the no parking signs, they all fell. You see?
Strong wind.
There, mga tao. You
See all
see?
those? Yeah.
There is a very big tree that fell. See how big it is? So big. Oh la la, mga tao. Look. Sige, let's go. In reality, we've been preparing for the first typhoon, but nothing happened here in Metro Manila. This second typhoon, it was unexpected and a lot of things happened.
Wasn't there
You
3
see,
of
mga
them?
tao?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look,
Yeah.
people, they just watching it. Ano nangyari dito? Mga tao. Mga tao.
Really flooded down there.
Look at
Wow.
that.
Now it's swimming.
Yeah, it's dirty water though.
You see?
You don't know what's
They
in
are
it.
pushing the motorbike. Kawawa siya. Bahana. Oh la la. Look,
You don't have a
another one
choice
there. They're
sometimes.
carrying his motorbike. But it's already flooded. This is what you call bayanihan, guys. See? Look, everything flying objects. Swimming objects. in
Look at
here.
all that stuff floating down the water.
They
Look.
are bringing their
There's like a
boat.
chair, a
Another
table.
one. DJ Khaled, guys. See?
All those
Grabe,
people's
there's bathtub.
businesses.
There's bathtub there.
They got bathtub.
Oh la la, mga tao. They are bringing the bathtub with them. It looks like funeral, mga tao. You see, guys, Filipinos, they are laughing. Even though it's flood,
Right.
they keep laughing.
Is it fun?
Look, huh?
And I have another video. It's about how Filipinos smile through anything. You might want to check it out, but it's true, you know. This is devastating where people's businesses are, where they may live, their possessions may have flowed away. It's just, there's a lot of negativity, but always, you know, you can turn negativities into something positive and with a smile, apparently, because I see a lot of these people smiling a lot.
There's an air bed there. You see the kit? Air bed. Oh la la. Pag wala budget sa swimming pool, this is the best. Look, enjoying the water. Wow.
Look, he's floating down
Amazing,
the
amazing.
stream. Hopefully nothing sharp hits it.
Another one. Oh, kawawa, ha? Yamaha NMAX. NMAX, mga tao.
A lot of motorbikes.
Kawawa, flooded na.
Where's that? He has a bike.
Yeah, he has a bike, don't
See,
he?
kawawa the kuya there.
Right.
It's kawawa.
Yeah.
It's swimming.
Seems like they're having a good time, even in a flood.
Look at this. Grabe, how many people are there?
It's a boat taxi. Is it a boat taxi? Yeah.
Oh my God, mga tao. See? We're fortunate
Enough.
enough here that it's higher than the main road. That's why the water is not coming inside, you see.
Wow.
But all that area is all flooded.
You don't know what's in there.
See? Even the truck, they parked there because it's baha. It's flooded. Look at this kuya, he's swimming. He has his swimsuits on. His umbrella. Waterproof. The garbage is flying, guys. See? Garbage flying.
Gotta be waterproof in this.
Look at the bike, guys. He's smoking inside the river.
Yeah.
Grabe, it's like Italy, Venice, Italy. See? Smoking while, taking the river. Look at this bike. It's like floated bike. How to be UFO.
Yeah.
Grabe.
Are they saving
How's
it?
the bike floated, guys? Oh la la. They are doing bayanihan, guys, there. See? R.I.P. Carbonara, guys. You see how many tao?
He's carrying
How
his
can you
bike
drive
in.
the bike with the water? Look.
He's carrying his bike.
Driving it like there's nothing. How can he see what's under the water?
Yeah.
Guys?
How is he pedaling that?
Lakas, lakas. Look, the garbage just floating. Oh la la. Ang laki yung alikansya mo.
Is that guy funny?
Okay, the bike. For it not to flood, but it's already flooded.
Is that funny?
Grabe guys, look at the gas tank. See, he's carrying the gas in the water. And they are doing some kalkalbote.
I'm just curious of how long it takes the water to go back down. Maybe it's still raining in the mountains. I don't know, but I don't know. You guys let me know.
Look at the tank, mga tao. It's just floating in the water.
Yeah. Oh, he's jumping in.
Grabe.
Ooh, be careful. Be careful.
Grabe. Look at that buccaneer, mga tao. You see?
It's a big truck, ain't it?
Grabe. Kaya. Kasi it's really high, this truck. See? It's becoming GTA, guys.
Yeah.
This is, you put the password in GTA, then the car can run on water, you see? Like we never prepared for this typhoon, but it hit us hard here in Metro Manila. Before, when we prepared for the first typhoon, nothing happened here in Metro Manila. I even have to close the 2 shops. Yolo Retro Diner were closed. Our 2 branches are closed today because of the typhoon. But it's okay. The bayanihan I see between the people really amazing. Oh, mga tao, you see? Oh la la.
Just leaves
So,
everywhere.
wala na kuryente, guys. It's good that I have candle in here.
It's a food.
What is that?
It's a food.
Para pwede ako luto
What is it?
yung kanin ko.
It's
I'm just reheating.
Rice?
yeah.
Buti may gas, hindi ubos. Para wala gas, wala kuryente, wala na tubig. Ulala, mental hospital tayo, guys.
Do you like rice?
Yeah.
Buti may leftover rice, guys. See? Shout out to my subscriber for sending me this. This is my ulam today. Corned beef.
It's
Delata is life now, guys. So guys, I chop my potato in here. See, I'm making potato and corned beef. It's like romantic corned beef tayo. Let's put a bit of olive oil.
It's the one.
Love olive oil. It makes things
Then
taste
let's
good.
fry our potato. As if I can't upload it today. Wala na power tayo, guys. Pero vlog pa more.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ooh, that looks good.
Mukha masarap. These are the times, guys, when people realize how to value small things such
Absolutely.
as cooking, electricity, water. Now I'll be adding my onion, and then let's halo everything. I just added the onion almost when the potato is cooked, para it doesn't get burned.
Basil's cooking show.
It's gonna be delicious with the corned beef. I hope everyone will have the ability to eat and stay dry for tonight, guys. So guys, I added some water, I added string onion, I added some spices so that it cooks well, because this kind of corned beef, if it's not watery, it gets too dry. So I just add.
Alright, well he's cooking. We mainly watched it to see the flooding, what the typhoon brought to Metro Manila, and to see, you know, how people got through it, you know. I'm sure there's people that, you know, didn't have a smile because they lost a lot, but they'll get through it. I promise they'll get through it. They always do. It makes resilient people, don't it? It makes people tough, don't it? Where they get through everything, when they have to deal with typhoons and natural disasters.
Yeah.
Yeah, and he made a really good point, Basil did, you know, and what Basil will say, it makes you look at all the stuff, the little things that you have every day, right?
Yeah.
And we shouldn't take those for granted, right?
Yeah.
We should always be thankful for what we have, right?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, are you thankful for what you got?
Yeah.
Tell them in the camera, not me. Are you thankful?
Yeah.
Say, I'm thankful
thankful
for all
all
the
the
little
little
things
things
in
in
our
our
life.
life.
Amen.
Amen.
Yes. Anyway, hopefully you liked our reaction. Did you enjoy it? Did you like to see the flooding and learn?
Yeah.
Yes. You want to tell them subscribe,
Subscribe.
comment. Look at them, not me. Subscribe,
Subscribe.
comment,
Comment.
like,
Like.
and say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Peace.
Peace.